subscribe to the for the next video. Woo! And reading these useless things.
Useless.
The vimto. What are they called? Seriously, so are candy shockers.
They're gonna kill us.
You tried one before the video wrong. I've already ate a whole packet today, so I'll probably be sick when I get in there. So we're starting off with this one, the original. There you go.
We're gonna start with the
original. There it is here. Ooh. Let's get on with this.
You will not have no drinks or nothing.
No spit out. We just have to spoil the bad things.
Alright.
I almost dropped mine.
Wait on Kyle. Kyle, show it to the camera.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Is your not? I'm quite agree. You're right. Mate, you're reacting even worse than mine. Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Finished.
Wait, are you finished? Oh, don't do it on me.
So wait.
Oh!
He's having a heart attack.
Oh!
Do you want to see it?
Oh!
Do you want to see it? Kyle's little sister's got a daily pose for us.
Hello!
They're killing you, bro. They're killing you. I'm sorry to hear that. He's dying. I get one of them.
One bite.
No, just one. And I'll get you one next and I'm waiting. Come on, that was not He's good.
I'm like a one that has a...
Can I have the whole square?
I don't know. I'll struggle it. Bet, honestly. After bet. Oh, I have your guns! Yeah! Yeah, that's disgusting! Yum!
Where's your tattoo? I put it in my pocket, didn't I?
Oh, my guns! What one are we going for next?
Cherry.
I'll do the most sour one. Strawberry.
Oh, my bag blew away. My bag blew away.
Relax, let's
Give it, guys.
It's just a wall.
These are the ones here we're trying. They're gonna kill me.
They're the
Go
most
ahead.
they're
Me!
the most sour ones. I've already had these. These
Wait, guys! Brooke's little sister. Kyle's little sister, put your face on. She doesn't want to do the chance because she's too young.
Yeah.
You look like this!
Is my hand even in? I just said you're too close! Where's my hand? Oh, there it is here. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
These are easy, guys.
Oh my god!
You're gonna kill me!
Can you spit to your eye?
No.
How fresh mine, bro.
No, you haven't. Oh my god!
Looks like I'm gonna win, guys!
There's no winner, we'll just try to eat them.
Oh. Hey, we're gonna do another video, but it's gotta be dancing. No dancing, I don't know what we're doing next. After this video, we'll decide.
I'm now recording them.
Walk me, Kyle. Just move this button.
No, that's way too close, mate.
It has way too close. That's a brilliant view. Hey guys, I'm JWB 1875 of real life. And this is
videos.
from the Minecraft videos. And it's me, I've been here in the background, but that Benton Liam can't make it today. Because, what happened? Oh, his granny died. He catch me away. Sorry, his granny died. And we want you to smack that red button if you like this. And we're not finished yet. And
And don't break anything you've got. Don't smack it. Press it with whatever you got.
and I really want good subscribers. If we want a like.
Yeah, can you hold?
And we want you to do it.
Wow, these are bad.
We want you to subscribe us, okay? Oh, sorry about that.
So take us a strawberry one next.
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, sugar, these are going to kill me, guys.
That one, vimto strawberry.
Oh, no!
They all look bad. They weren't as bad when I had my first 10.
Hello.
Have you started yet?
Right.
I can't even get into the packet.